how to use gift card sticker and food order sticker on Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to Android Solution YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use food order and gift card sticker. That is the latest updated version of features of Instagram. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon to get the more informative videos. So basically, first of all, make sure that you have updated your Instagram from a Google Play Store, or you can go for Apple Store. So you have to make sure you have updated here. So after updating, what you have to do here is very pretty simple to use these features. Yeah, here you can see. So here you can see, to get supported, just tap on the, after clicking the picture, you can see here, just tap on the sticker and you can change the color, and in this way you can use this sticker. So I hope this video will help you out.